Hello, kids. Today we have new visitors at our yellow auto service. Let's meet these fun and fascinating cars together. Who came first? Look, it's bright red. This is the FSO WARSZAWA M20, born all the way back in 1951 in Poland. Do you know who it looks like? That's right. It was built on the Pobeda base and looks just like it. We hope Pobeda will also visit us one day and introduce itself. Oh wow! Who's that black car? That's the Gaz 14 CHAIKA, a real limousine. Born in 1977 in Russia. Once upon a time, presidents and ministers used to ride in it. How cool is that? Just look how comfy it is, with soft seats and an elegant design. It even has a big brother who will definitely visit us in future videos. Gaz CHAIKA wants to check in our auto service. Hey, that face looks familiar. It's the Moskvich 403 born in 1956 in Russia. It looks just like the police car we saw in one of our other videos. Check out that bright white steering wheel. Did you notice it? What a lovely little car. Oh, here comes the ZIL 130. This strong truck was born in 1977 in Russia. And look what it's carrying on its back. Can you guess? Yes, it's a crane. It's used to lift heavy loads. Look at those long cables and that strong metal arm. Wow. Whoa! Here comes a yellow giant. This is the IKARUS 280, our super long bus, born in Hungary in 1973. See the middle part that bends? It creaks and curves just like a big wiggly worm. Do you know how many people it can carry? You'll be amazed, up to 150 to 160 passengers at once. Now it's your turn, kids. What buses have you seen? And which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't miss our next video, because more guests and surprises are on the way.